so we are driving back to the Carter Estate Winery and Resort. As you can see, there's a lot of winery and resort here. Look at those. Big place. I'm not sure about how many resorts and stuff, but there's a bunch of restaurants, estates, you know, look at all those. There's inn, winery. There's a lot of nice winery place. This is like wine country. So at first I thought, you know, you have to drive all the way through, like in the middle of nowhere, to get to the winery. But actually 5 miles back that way is like a whole city. And so you have all these eateries, places, you know, like a whole city. So pretty close to regular life. Alright, so we have arrived at our destination. Finally. Finally time to check in. So when you book a room here, you get a free bottle of wine. Well, at least that's the package that we booked. So the package we booked was a hot air balloon for 2, and 1 night stay for 2, breakfast complimentary, and a bottle of wine for $4.99 plus tax. Pretty basic room. Check out the bathroom. We got a nice tub here for jacuzzi tub. You even got these got the jacuzzi nozzles there, and then your standard shower. Just standard bathroom, guys. I got no money to rent like a fancy one. I got 700 something subscribers now. Subscribe so then you can see more stuff. All right, let's take a look outside. Ooh. So you have your own private balcony. Have some wine. Look out at the dead vines. Right now, no greens. Sunset somewhere over there. So you can just walk straight out here and take a hike or a walk around the winery. But there is not much to look at right now. But overall, pretty nice place. The only disappointment was the dead vines. We didn't come in at the right time. If you want to see grapevine, like green grapevines and stuff, you gotta come May through like October, December. Alright guys, so we are here at South Coast Winery, which is like 1 block away from where our resort is. So when you come around here in this area, you don't have to stay at one place to try their wine. There's a bunch of resort, a bunch of wineries here. You can actually hop around and try out their wine. So from recommendations from our hot air balloon guide, he said that this place is really good. So we're checking out this South Coast Winery place. Yeah, they have a really nice place. Right now it's February, so basically it's all vines right now. But I'm pretty sure around like May or so, all of these vines gonna bloom out, all the greenery is gonna come out. But unfortunately for February, this is how it is. So if you do want to come here, I think around April or May is probably the best time to go. That's when all of these vines, the grapevines and everything. See, they have grapevines and stuff in the back all around us. A low table should be good.
I'll let you pick. Thank you. You ready to move in this moment, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, it looks really nice in here. I think this is a really nice place for like a wedding or some sort of events. So you get the balcony here, like pretty good view. Seems like there's a lot of people down there. I think you get I think if you stay here in the resort, you get some sort of perks with the wine tasting here. All right, so this is the menu. So it looks like these are already priced per person. Oh, okay. So they do have food here too. They have food here too. Not too much, but It's just something to munch on. So I guess this place is connected to our stay, which is the Carter Estate. It looks like they have some wine and stuff from the Carter Estate, which is down the block. No wonder they keep on recommending us to come here. Right, our flight is here.
Place these on here. That way you guys know what you're drinking.
Oh, that's cool. That's a neat idea. Then I know what I'm drinking. Yeah.
Little descriptions on there. And then you
Awesome.
will start left to right, and it will go
Right.
from driest to least dry, and then from least full body to most full body.
Oh wow, okay.
And then
Awesome.
your guys' food will be out shortly, okay?
Awesome, thank
Yeah,
you.
Enjoy, guys.
All right, so you hear the ladies. So this is pretty cool. This is the first time I've seen this. Because usually when I do flights, I'm just guessing what the heck they are. They're like, oh, from left to right is this. And by the time they left, I don't know what the heck is what. All right, y'all wine drinkers, tell me in the comment below if I'm pouring this right, all right? Down the glass. I know we're trying to get air in or something, right? Cheers. Think I need some food with this. Maybe some cheese. They don't provide us any food here yet. Gonna have to look for some food later. But as for the wine, I mean, it is free, so anything free is good, right? All right. Oh, let me pour my wife a glass since it is her birthday. One more? One
No.
more? More?
No.
Oh, sure? Here you go, babe. Okay, cheers. Happy birthday. Alright, so we just parked, and what's nice about it here is you don't have to pay for parking. There's no parking meter. I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, all the place set up the outdoor dining because of COVID, and they set it up pretty cute. Let's check it out. The goats and vines. Well, too bad we can't dine inside. Place inside is really nice. All decked out. Well, it's a Tuesday night, and there is a 30-minute wait for a table. So we are checking out the rest of Old Town Temecula. Old Town Temecula. It's pretty romantic, eh? All the street lights. They even have like speakers for like playing these jazz music. You hear that? Like, see? Got speakers up there on like these light poles for jazz music playing. Basically, we're just walking the streets at night, going through all the pubs. The lighting and stuff is pretty cool. So the place just texted us. We're second in line. Gotta walk back. All right, so we are finally seated because of COVID. So let's scan the menu. Got food on one side and drinks on one side. Right, this is the drinks menu. So they have draft beer, bottles and cans, a lot of cocktail drinks, wine, of course, whites, red, non-alcoholic beverage, blood orange pomegranate sangria. So it has pomegranate puree, fresh squeezed citrus juice, rum, vanilla infused vermouth, blend of red and white wine. I'll take that, please. Thank you. So the place is called the Goat and Vine. So it makes sense to get the goat and vine salad, right? Even though my wife don't like the goat cheese, so we're gonna put that on the side. Our salad just came out. The goat and vine salad. Looks like it has some strawberries on there. Some house vinaigrette. Told them we get the goat cheese on the side. Arugula, some red salad, tomatoes, strawberries. Okay. I smell the vinaigrette. And yeah, definitely the goat cheese also. Alright, let's taste this. Actually, I want to try the goat cheese first. See how that goes. Hey, the goat cheese is actually really good. They have something sweet on the outside. And it's very, what is it? It's very smooth and rich and creamy. So they have crusted pecan outside of the goat cheese. So when you bite into that, you get the creamy taste, but also that crispy, nutty flavor from the pecan. I think it's brown sugar covered pecan. So let's try everything together. You even got some strawberry for that citrus fresh flavor, and then they mix that with the this vinaigrette, house-made vinaigrette. Let's try it. Ooh, got some goat cheese, strawberries, a bunch of greens. Big bite. Oh yeah. Tastes very fresh, but at the same time, you get that smooth goat cheese in it, and also that sweet, nutty hazelnut texture covered on the outside. And that's why you always order the signature dish of the restaurant. Definitely get it. All right, we got our sangria, blood orange sangria. She gets red really easily and get drunk very easily. So I will be the taste tester, I guess. Wow, it's really good. So usually I don't really drink cocktails, but this is very refreshing. It has that blood orange champagne wine taste, citrusy flavor. Very refreshing though. Yay, pizza's here. This is a hash honey chili pizza. Has chicken on it.
Let me set
Awesome.
it up really good for you guys.
All right.
You can stick this under here.
Ooh, okay. That's what it's for.
Go.
Nice.
Can
Thank
I
you.
use anything else? Parmesan peppers?
Chili flakes.
Chili flakes are so good on this pizza. I would do it all
Please.
the time here.
Awesome. Thank you.
You can actually smell the honey hop.
Wow. Wow. Smell this pizza? Really, really good. Freshly baked. So they bake this pizza on a stone, right? And they have a lot of different type of pizza. They even have like a Thai pizza. There's like sprouts and stuff on there. I think it's kind of weird. So how about we stick with the safe choice here? Ah, it smells so good. We got, let's see, what we got on here? We got some chicken, shredded chicken, some, what is it, grape tomatoes, cilantro, special sauce. I can smell is a special sauce. Some avocado in the middle. This is kind of like a Tex-Mex pizza. So, oh, okay. It didn't stick as much. All right. There's some crushed peppers. So this is like a spicy pizza. I think it has like jalapenos already in it. But more chili, the more the better. Woo. Wow. Avocado jumped off. Try.
All the love.
Wow.
How was the first slice?
That's awesome.
Please
Thank
your
you.
case
Thank
and
you.
enjoy the rest.
So this has a little bit of honey on top too. So there's like a little sweet tang to it, and then you get that spicy jalapeno taste and the cilantro smell. It's a really good mix. It's like a sweet chicken cilantro pizza. I was scared that the honey would ruin it because it might be too sweet, but it blended in really well. And the pizza dough is not dry at all. It's very puffy and chewy. Oh yeah. This pizza and your average Domino pizza, right? The difference is in the dough and how they bake it. Well, we're going to enjoy the rest of the pizza, salad, and a sangria. All right, that's it for our trip here in Temecula. I'm glad we took this trip out here in Temecula because I really thought Temecula is pretty much, nowhere land, but it grew a lot. And I'm definitely gonna come back here sometime soon. If you guys like this video, make sure to put that thumbs up, all right? And make sure to subscribe and add the bell button for future videos. Anyways, I am going to enjoy my food. All right, peace.